Hello, future crypto millionaires. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to do some quick technical analysis on IMX. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to give you my price prediction for 2025. But before we begin, make sure that you join my Telegram group. There is a link in the description below. This is where I post all the trading setups and ideas that I am looking at every single day before I talk about them on YouTube. AI tokens, meme coins, gaming projects, RWA, dipping, all that good stuff can be found on my Telegram group. It's free for now, but it's not going to be free forever, guys, so make sure that you join as soon as possible. Also, please do me a solid and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click the like button. Let's get straight into it. As you see here on CoinMarketCap, Immutable is currently ranked number 43. The price is at $1.86, 6.31% up for the day. And the market cap is sitting right above 3 billion, 3.16 billion to be exact. Before we look at the charts, let's look at what is Immutable real quick. Immutable positions itself as the first layer 2 scaling solution for NFTs on Ethereum. According to the project, its blockchain does away with Ethereum's limitations, like low scalability, a poor user experience, liquidity, and a slow developer experience overall. Instead, users benefit from instant trading and massive scalability while enjoying zero gas fees, very important, for minting and trading NFTs without compromising user or asset security. So over here on CoinMarketCap, under the About section, they talk a lot about NFTs, but IMX, as you see here, focuses on Web3 games, not only on NFT minting. This is their X account. You can find it at Immutable. Look what it says here. Immutable is the leading platform for building games on Ethereum. They have over 430,000 followers, and they have been pretty active on X, posting almost every single day. You can go through this on your own time. I'm not going to waste time here. This is their website. You can find it at www.immutable.com. The website looks really fun. Look at this. Immutable Play, your hub for Web3 gaming. Immerse yourself in an uncharted world of Web3 gaming, where creativity and innovation collide. Experience the depth and wonder of Web3 gaming on Immutable and reshape the future of play. You can just click on this and go to Immutable Play. These are their partners. They have a lot of big names here. Look at this: Polygon, Ubisoft, Illuvium, Gods Unchained, and many others. If you scroll all the way down, you can find this. Look what it says: Web3 gaming with Immutable. Immutable is on a mission to revolutionize the world of gaming by introducing the full power of Web3 gaming to a global audience. The world of traditional gaming has reached billions, yet players never really owned all the digital items they spent countless hours collecting. That's true. There is something to this, guys. Immutable is here to change that, providing developers and gamers alike with access to a state-of-the-art platform dedicated to Web3 gaming innovation. This is the chart on TradingView. We are looking at IMX over USDT daily chart on Binance. However, here on Binance, we see data only from January of 2022. I think IMX was created before that, and we can check that out if we look at CoinMarketCap by clicking the all times chart. You see that this token was created on November of 2021. It experienced a nice run-up initially, all the way up to $9.31. People took profits, price action pulled back down, all the way down to 43 cents, approximately. 43 cents, 38 cents, something like that. And then we had another run-up that was more recent at the end of 2023 and beginning of 2024. Going back to TradingView, we can see that a run-up that occurred late 2023, beginning of 2024. This was the same time when the whole crypto market experienced a mini bull run. IMX ran all the way up here to $3.61 before pulling back down. So what do we see here on this chart? We had a markdown phase that ended back in 2022. We entered this first accumulation phase. We had this run-up, then we pulled back. After this markdown phase, we had another accumulation phase, which is this one here. This second accumulation phase ranges from 0.99 to $1.85 approximately. And while moving inside this accumulation phase, we formed this nice rounded bottom pattern. We actually formed two of them, this first one and then another one. The neckline of this up patterns that we see on the chart is located at $1.85. As you see here, the price action is currently testing this level. So we broke above it, which is a very bullish sign. But we have to be careful when we buy breakouts like this, because this level has been acting as a very important, a key level of resistance in the past. For example, here, price action ran all the way up here and we got rejected. However, before that, this level acted as support also. As you see here, the price action broke above it. We came back and got a retest of this, and we had a nice bounce here. Look at this, a nice bounce here, another bounce, and this one, until the price action broke below this again. So at the moment, I am not really sure if this level is going to hold or not. Again, these lines that are marked here on these charts that I share with you guys on Telegram and YouTube, it's better if you view them as ranges, something like that. These are not just lines. So what we want to see for now is the price action to stay above this line that's located at $1.85. If we see a bounce here, that's going to be pretty bullish. However, again, because this has been a very key psychological level of resistance in the past, we might see another rejection here, just like we did here. If we get rejected, the price action is going to pull back below it. And we have to be careful because we can't predict the future, guys. We can't possibly know how deep this pullback is going to be. So if we break below, what I like to do is I am going to wait for a few red candles to appear, and then I'm going to start scaling in slowly. We might come back all the way down here, just like the price action bounced here and here around this support level that's located at $1. We might see another pullback all the way down here, getting another bounce. That's the worst case scenario of the lowest dip, of the lowest point, the deepest point that IMX is going to bounce. If we break below this, I would exit all my positions, guys. Things are going to turn really bearish and things are going to get invalidated. So there is no point in my view to hold downtrends like this. However, as long as we stay above this support, things look kind of good for IMX. Another idea that we might see is a pullback, but not as deep all the way down here. We might see a pullback forming something like a higher low, somewhere around this area, or a bit higher or a bit lower. Nobody knows. That's why it's very important to scale in slowly, guys. It allows you to manage your risk like that. So if we get rejected here, these are the ideas. Or a higher low, bounce, or a deeper pullback all the way down here, bouncing on this support around $1. For now, things are looking pretty good. The price action broke above this key level of resistance. So we might see a bounce here and a continuation move to the upside. I have a few price targets here for you. From this neckline of this cap pattern that we have on the chart that's located at $1.85 to the next target at $2.30, that's a 24-25% move approximately. The next target is located at $2.59. The measured move from the neckline is approximately a 40% move. Next target at $2.87. That's a 55-56% move. Next target at $3.23. That's a 75% move. And the last target that I have here on the chart is located at $3.61. That's a measured move of 95%. Of course, if we see a pullback here, these measured moves are going to be even greater. And also, I'll tell you the truth, if we pull back one more time, somewhere around here, the move to the upside is going to be more powerful, guys. So these pullbacks are not as bad as people think, even for long-term investors on IMX. For example, look at this, the measured move, if we form a higher low somewhere around here to this last target that I have here on the chart that's located at $3.61, that's a 140% move already. While from the neckline, that was only a move of less than 100%, 95%. And if we see an even deeper pullback all the way down here around this support at $1, the measured move to this last Fibonacci target that I have here on the chart at $3.61, that's a 250% move, guys. So this is going to be a gift from God, basically. And accumulating all the way down here is going to allow us to front run the breakout above this neckline. And that's huge profits. And also, it's a very nice buying opportunity for those who missed their chance to buy here the previous two times. Of course, these pullbacks might be just theory. IMX can just pump from here. Nobody knows, okay? We just have to wait and see. We are not here to predict, guys. We just react. If this happens, then we do this. If that happens, then we do that. And that's it. That's all we do. So I have a few price predictions for IMX for 2025. As you see here, the all-time high on Binance is at $4.68. On CoinMarketCap, the all-time high occurred back in 2021, and it was around $9.30. Today, IMX has a market cap of 3.16 billion. So it needs some kind of liquidity to flow into it in order to make huge moves, okay? It's a heavy token. It's not going to move as easy as other low caps that we've been looking at in this channel. So if we zoom out, I have my first target that surpasses that previous all-time high that we see here on Binance. And this is basically a 5x move out of IMX. If IMX pulls a 5x move during a full-blown altcoin season, it's going to have a market cap of 15 billion and a price of $9.40. So that's basically that previous all-time high that we saw in 2021, according to CoinMarketCap. Even though the data says that 80-90% of the projects that reach an all-time high during their first bull run don't come back to the same all-time high during their second bull run, I think that IMX is one of these tokens that can make it happen. This is only a 5x move and a market cap of 16 billion approximately. Taking into consideration that this is going to be the greatest bull run in the history of humanity, and it's going to be extended. And now that we have all these big companies entering the crypto space, and America has become pro-crypto during Trump administration, I think that we can be a little bit bullish. However, in my view, I think a 5x target, a 5x move for IMX for 2025 makes sense. It's not a moonshot. And also think about it. IMX focuses on Web3 gaming. Gaming as a narrative is expected to do really well during this altcoin season, guys. So it all depends. Now, because I think that a 5x move out of IMX makes sense, I want to give you an even more bullish price prediction for this altcoin season. And this is going to be a 10x move out of IMX. If Immutable pulls a 10x move, it's going to have a market cap of 31.6 billion and a price of $18.80. Even if we don't see a 10x move, I think that it's very possible that we see a move that is greater than 5x, but less than 10x. It might be $15 price target. It might be like $12 IMX, something like that. I don't have a crystal ball. I can predict the future, but as the time goes by, I'm going to have more data. And based on how gaming as a narrative is doing, based on how IMX is performing, I am going to be able to give you more accurate price predictions. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel, and most importantly, you hit the bell icon so you receive notifications when I post updates on these setups and price predictions that I'm sharing with you these days. Because these price predictions are subject to change soon, depending on how the market is moving. Let me know in the comments below, what is your price prediction for IMX? Do you think that a 10x move is too high for this token? I really want to know what you think. Nevertheless, no matter what, IMX is currently at range lows. So accumulating at range lows is smart, and it's going to be profitable no matter what. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one, guys. Trade carefully.